I mean, this review had the potential to stop one of my bags. Hey love, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mal, and we are doing a wig review, but not just any wig review. I'm actually going to be trying the exact unit from LUVME Hair that they sent me for a partnership. I want to see if what I got as an influencer is the same thing as what I ordered as a customer. I am keeping it 100% real in this video, and I spent my own money, of course. So here we go. Let's try out this wig and let's find out if what I ordered is the same as what I got. LUVME Hair is an affordable hair company. They sell wigs, they sell bundles. I think they have like a few other types of hairstyles, but I've really only ordered wigs from them. And I spent 217 American dollars on this unit. I'm actually from Canada, so in Canadian dollars, it's a little more. I spent about 320 Canadian dollars on this hair, so it was not cheap. Although it's affordable, it still runs you a pretty penny. I mean, a lot of times people have to save up for their wig purchases. It's not just like a random purchase, and that's why we do our research and we look online. And so I hope this video finds anyone out there who's looking to buy from LUVME Hair and wants an honest review and opinion. The hair that I purchased is the LUVME Hair PartingMax Glueless wig. It's in ombre brown, and this is a loose body wave texture. It's 7x6, a closure wig, and it's meant to have HD lace. Now I got a wig that was pre-cut with the lace, and they all come pre-plucked and pre-bleached and ready to go. So essentially you should just be able to throw the hair on and wear it, and that's it. You don't have to do anything to these wigs. This wig that you're seeing on the screen right now is the one that I got in the partnership deal, and it's gorgeous. It was beautiful. I loved how the hair felt. I loved how it looked. I was really impressed with this like very large part. I think that that really helped it to look very natural, and I love closure wigs, so not having to do ear tabs made me super happy. I felt like I could have really just threw it on and went about my day, but I did in that video decide to use the Got2b spray and lay it down. Now in this video, I will not be using any spray other than a little bit of mousse, and I want to see if the wig can really just be like a throw and go style. So I mean, you see me wearing it right now. I think it looks pretty good, but let's get into the details because I have a lot of thoughts and we have to test it out and see. So let's start from the beginning. Let's put the wig on. Firstly, first impressions, this is exactly the same way that it came when I got my parcel from them for the partnership that we were doing. So it's good to know that like they send what their customer gets to their influencers, at least in the packaging perspective. So I ordered this November 16th and I received it on the 20th of November, which is really good. It only took 4 days to Canada. Some freebies are in here. So I believe this is like wig tape maybe for the glueless unit. We have a band to secure your wig. We have some branded nails. I feel like my mom would like these. And some wig caps along with, I think this is an air freshener. I don't really know. All those goodies are great. That's lovely. I'm probably not going to use any of it other than the wig cap. What we really want to see is the wig. Let's go ahead and put the wig cap on so that I can get a better idea of what this really looks like. This is all I'm really going to do. The wig cap's on. I like to just leave a little bit of this hair out at the sides because it's a closure wig anyway. Moment of truth. Let's put her on. Oh, she's tight. I mean, initial thoughts on just like even how the lace looks, it looks good. Oh yeah. The lace looks really good. Damn, okay, I'm actually really impressed by how the lace looks. I think it looks really good. Come a little closer, y'all. Take a look at it. Like, it looks good. And this is pre-cut, so I literally just put it on. I did not do a thing to it. I don't even really feel like I need to put anything on it, but I'm gonna do a little something just to make sure that she blends. Like I'll put a little bronzer here when I do my makeup. But honestly, the tweezing, like it looks good. The part looks really good. I love this big part. I'm just gonna brush out the curls just so that we can see what it's working with. All I'm gonna do is take my liquid mousse and spray it around the front of the hair just to make sure that it's like melting the lace. I feel like the HD lace is looking really good and it's not that detectable. I think it might look even better if you decided to glue it down, but I'm just not going to because I'm going to take this wig off later. I don't feel like wearing a wig today. That being said, there is one thing that I'm noticing that's slightly different, and this is just me being kind of picky because I feel like in images the color of something can tend to look different, but I'm noticing on their website the color of the unit that I'm seeing here in their images is a little bit less like warm and like a reddish brown. It's more of like a neutral brown, and that's what I really wanted. I feel like this is giving like more of a cognac brown. It is very warm, and that wasn't what I expected. So that's kind of the only difference here. I think they probably did some retouching to the photo. Obviously, maybe there's like a slight blurring effect, or they cooled the photo down, whatever they did to make their image of the wig look the best that it could. But I would be slightly disappointed if I was expecting it to look exactly like these images. I'm just gonna look on the website here. Yeah, like I really do feel like this color is not the same. Even the color on the models wearing the wig, I'm not gonna lie, they definitely made it look a lot more cool toned. So that is really saddening. I am not super happy with the color. This isn't exactly how I wanted it to. I feel like it's nothing that maybe like a rinse in the purple shampoo and conditioner can't fix. But of course you want your wig to just be ready to go as is. So I don't know, let me know, you guys, what do you think? Like, does the color look different to you? Because I really do feel like this is quite warm. This is quite a warm brown. Outside of that, my shopping experience when I purchased the wig myself versus when the company sent the hair to me and paid me to create a video was very, very similar. The contents in the box were the same. The box was packaged the same way. It took just as long to get to me. It took about like 4 or 5 days each time. And so yeah, my shopping experience was very similar across the board. I'm actually very pleased, and I'm very happy to know that you're not getting something different when you work with this company versus when you buy as a customer. And I think that's huge, and that's so important. And what actually prompted me to do this video was having a really bad experience with UNICE hair, and then making a video about it. And then UNICE Hair saw the video and decided to send me a unit as like a, sorry, let me make it up to you. And the unit that they sent me was so much better. And it started prompting me to think, like, are they sending influencers better things so that the influencer can make an honest review, but the honest review is not really honest because it's a different product? Anyway, that's what prompted me to make this video, and I think that that is very true for a lot of companies. A lot of companies are not consistent with their quality and what they're offering, but I do feel confident after this experience of ordering from LUVME Hair under an alias and just testing out the same unit that they sent me. I feel confident that they are pretty consistent across the board. Other than the minor setback of the color not being quite the same, I feel like they did a really good job. Now, they did give me a discount code, and you can actually save a lot of money on your purchase when you use my discount code. That's why I was able to get this wig for like 215 American dollars. I think you save like $100 off. So if you want to use my code, I'll put it in the description bar, and I feel confident promoting it now because LUVME Hair is a pretty good company to order from. I don't know, let me know your experience with LUVME Hair. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. What other hair companies have you ordered from that have good customer service, that are pretty affordable? I'd love to know. I'd love to try more wigs. Let me know, y'all. And let me know what you think of this color on me. I think I still like the color. I don't know. I was thinking about dyeing my hair, and I kind of wanted to dye it brown, but now that I have a brown wig, I don't think I have to, because I'm way too indecisive to be dyeing my hair. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye. Single on the body,